The blue flow filling the left atrium illustrates severe mitral regurgitation, or MR. The percutaneous mitral repair system consists of catheters and the Mitraclip device. The catheter is introduced over a guide wire that has been placed using standard techniques. The dilator is used to gradually advance the guide into the left atrium. The guide wire and dilator are removed. The clip is gradually introduced into the left atrium. The clip is precisely positioned above the leak in the valve. The clip arms are opened in the left atrium for final positioning. Color ultrasound imaging identifies the severe MR illustrated here with blue flow. The clip is advanced into the left ventricle below the valve leaflets. The clip is retracted and closed to hold the leaflets together to reduce MR. If the MR reduction can be further improved, the leaflets are released and the clip re-advanced. Positioning adjustments may be made and the leaflets are grasped again to reduce MR. The double orifice opening allows blood to flow on both sides of the clip. The grasp and MR reduction are assessed before the clip is deployed. The catheters are then removed. Securely attached to both leaflets, the clip moves with the valve, allowing blood to flow through each opening. The mitral valve is repaired without open heart surgery. The Mitraclip device is made of metal and covered with a polyester fabric to promote healing.